What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Antonio 2Wavy, or AE 2Wavy, and I'm back with another video. I've been going through a lot of things lately, you know. As you can see, I'm in a new house, you know. A lot of you, if you guys been supporting me for a while, you guys know this is not where I usually do my videos at. So yeah, I moved. This is like my 5th time moving in 1 year. And I've been going through so much stuff, and I honestly don't even know what to do with myself, you know what I mean? I'm trying hard to keep on going with the YouTube grind and stuff like that, and with everything on social media, but I always had a first love, you know what I mean? I always had love for one thing, you know. That one thing I've always had love for is basketball, you know what I mean? And I always said to myself, I want to make it to the NBA. I want to just be better than everybody. I want to practice every single day, you know, but YouTube got in the way and stuff, and I started doing YouTube, and it just got me stuck because I really want to do both, but basketball is really my first love. So like, I started doing YouTube like in June, and I've been saying to myself, like, I want to become big, I want to get 100K on YouTube and stuff like that, but it's honestly been months, and I haven't even reached 10K yet, which really just to this point makes me want to just give up on YouTube and just focus on basketball again like I was. What I'm trying to say is that this might be my last YouTube video. I'm not gonna say ever, but I'm gonna say for a long time, you know, because I just healed my ankle back, you know. If you guys see my other videos, my ankle just healed back, so I think it's time for me to get back in the lab and focus 100% on basketball, you know, because I don't know if this YouTube stuff is for me, you know what I mean? That's really all I had to say or whatever. Oh yeah. Before I go, I just want to tell y'all that it's a prank. What? Okay. Y'all really thought I was about to quit on y'all? Come on. Cut the crap. Y'all really thought I was gonna quit YouTube? You bugging out. I literally just started. Come on now. Y'all know I can't quit on y'all now. You know, this is the beginning, you feel me? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I do still love basketball. I still want to try to make it, but hey, I got plan A and plan B. I can't quit. I can't quit on y'all. You guys are bugging out. I know I caught y'all, so stop trying to play me. And if I did catch you, comment down low. You know what I'm saying? Because I know I caught some of y'all, you feel me? I'm a good actor, right? Never mind. But let's get straight to the video. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Antonio 2Wavy, or AE 2Wavy, and I'm back with another video. Today will be a light video, you know what I'm saying? I know I say that in almost all my videos, but it is what it is, you feel me? But today I will be telling y'all a question that a lot of y'all keep asking me, and that is, how did you get followers? How did you get subscribers on YouTube and stuff like that? Which they're basically asking, how did I get 100K on IG and stuff like that. So I'm gonna tell y'all my strategy on how I did it and what I did to, to get to this point, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not gonna consider myself famous yet, even though most of my supporters say I'm Hollywood or I'm famous or whatever, to hit them up or text them. You know, I'm not gonna consider myself that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm here to let you know what you gotta do to even get at least 10,000 followers, you know what I'm saying? So before you start watching this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. I hope this is useful for y'all, but just stay tuned and listen to the video. So one of the first things you want to do, you want to make sure that your pictures are, you know, they're good quality. You post often, you know what I'm saying? Because honestly, I wouldn't want to follow an Instagram account that is low quality and posts like every month, you know? Like honestly, if I follow somebody and it's like that, like this low quality, and they barely post, and I just simply unfollow them, because it's like, what am I following you for if you're not gonna post? You know what I'm saying? That's one thing. Two, you want to always make sure like you post like pictures or videos that are gonna pull people's attention, you know? Like I've seen girls go like viral, like get so many followers just for showing their body or some shit like that, or taking like bathing suit pictures, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that gets you like mad followers if you're a female. And if you're a guy like me, if you can take pictures like showing your body and stuff, your muscles, whatever, your abs, that's another way to, you know, to show yourself out there. You gotta post good quality content, you know what I'm saying? Just to get attention, you feel me? Another method you could do is you could use hashtags on your pictures or videos. Like if you post a video, you know, look, videos, honestly, videos go more viral than pictures. And, you know, in my opinion, I'm saying this for experience, because most of my videos on Instagram go on the Explorer page like thousands of times compared to my pictures, you know? So it's nice to post not a lot, but post a few videos, you know what I'm saying, showing yourself, expressing yourself, you know what I'm saying? Just try to, and at the same time, use some hashtags, you know what I'm saying? Like I used to do hashtag Explorer page or hashtag viral, you know what I mean? Those two hashtags are actually good, you know what I'm saying? So I recommend you guys using that too. Another thing you could do, you could go ahead and follow like celebrities like Ariana Grande, Kylie Jenner, who else? Kim Kardashian, like all the Kardashians and stuff like that. You know, all the celebrities, you can follow them and be active on their page as well, like their pictures or whatever. And I'm sure you'll get noticed by some people, because I'm sure people go to likes or comments and they just start following random people, because, you know what I'm saying, I've seen people on YouTube do that. So that's another way too. Just follow some celebrities and stuff like that. Be active on the gram, you feel me? One last method you could do, this is the last method, is going on my page, showing love to my recent pictures or videos, and me as a friendly guy, I will gladly repost you, you know, showing love, you know what I'm saying? So if you're one of my Instagram followers and you see me do that, you guys know I'm not capping, you feel me? So I'm sure if you followed every single step in this whole video, I will guarantee you gaining followers every single day. You know, if you post pictures more often, if you post pictures with good quality, use hashtags, you know what I'm saying, follow celebrities, all that, be more often, like I said, and I'll guarantee you some followers. You know, this is how I got up, you feel me? You know, I know some people like to buy followers, buy likes, follow a whole bunch of people, and I'm following when they follow you back. That's not the way to go. That's honestly the lame way. You know, that's the whack way, because honestly, somebody could just easily unfollow you, because I'm sure there's a 1,000 apps that shows if people unfollowed you or not. So that's really the lame way to do it. So if you followed every step, like I said, I guarantee you some followers, you know what I'm saying? That's really my method, you feel me? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, I'm gonna be posting more often. As y'all can see, I made a video about 2 or 3 days ago. Let me know in the comment section what other videos you guys want me to do. But soon this week I will be posting another video, so stay tuned, subscribe. We on the road to 10K. I just hit 7K yesterday, you feel me? Congratulations, I like that. But I'm not gonna keep that for too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip because your boy's a little hungry. You feel me? Damn, I already lost. And I'm gone.